Hello kids, welcome to my channel Chico Kids. Today we learn colors and 1 2 3 1 2 3 number colors. There's many colors. Wow, there's color box. Wow, there's many colors. Let's start colors. Learn colors. Green color, red color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, purple color, pink color, black color, dark green color, light brown color, light blue color, brown color. Wow! Wow! Let's start with red color. Yes, red color number 1. Wow, number 1. Number 2, blue color. Wow, 2 blue color, 3 green color. Wow, number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1 red color, number 2 blue color, number 3 green color. Today we learn colors. Wow, there's many colors. Yay! Colors. Wow, there's many colors. And we learn today alphabets. A to Z alphabets. Let's start. First we learn colors. Blue color, black color, purple color, white color, green color, dark green color, orange color, light blue color, red color, pink color, yellow color, brown color. Wow! Red color. A for alligator, red color. B orange color. B for broccoli. C for candy, yellow color. D for donuts. Green color. E for elephant, blue color. F for fish. G for grapes, purple color. H for honey. I for ice cream or J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nuts. purple color. O. O for octopus, red color. P. P for peacock, orange color. Q. Q for queen, yellow color. R. R for rabbit, green color. S for sun, blue color. T. T for train. U. U for umbrella, red color. V. V for van, orange color. W. W for watermelon, yellow color. X for xylophone, green color. Y. Y for yak, blue color. Z. Z for zebra, purple color. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids. See you next video.